Hello everyone, Ruben Gwelly from Ray White in Chelsea, and behind me I have a beautiful family home, 3 Dunscombe Place in Chelsea Heights. A cherished and loved family abode, ready for its lucky new owners. Rear wetland direct access. The dream family lifestyle awaits. Expertly renovated with nothing more to do. This space encapsulates the essence of the kitchen being the heart of the home and feeds sensationally out through sliding stacker doors to our north-facing entertaining deck, and of course that rear gated access to the wetlands, a perfect extension to your backyard for all the family to enjoy. The consummate family package. I'm thrilled to bring this to you. Cannot wait to meet you all at our open for inspections. I'm Ruben Gwelly. This is 3 Dunscombe Place in Chelsea Heights. See you soon.